We're looking at homework from section 7.1. This is question number 19. A baseball team claims that the mean length of its game is 2.2 hours. State H0 and HA in words and in symbols. Then determine whether the hypothesis test for this claim is left-tailed, right-tailed, or two-tailed. Explain your reasoning. So, this claim is about the mean because it says the mean length of its games is 2.2 hours. Now we want to look for keywords. So the key phrase here is the phrase is 2.2 hours. When we see an is, that tells me we're looking at an equal sign. Equals 2.2. When something is something, that means it equals that thing. So my very first claim that comes right out of the statement of the problem is that mu equals 2.2. So is that the null hypothesis or the alternative hypothesis? Well, if there is a statement of equality, it's the null hypothesis. So because there is a very definite statement of equality here, this is H0. So then the symbol that goes with an equal sign in the complementary hypothesis is going to be the not equal to sign. So the other claim would be mu not equal to 2.2, which would be our HA. So now we want to express these in words. The way we do that is to go back to the original statement of the problem and write what we see. So for the null hypothesis, since this is about a baseball team and the length of its games, this hypothesis is that the mean length of a baseball team's games is 2.2 hours. That's the statement directly from the problem itself. The alternative hypothesis is going to say pretty much the same thing, only at the end, it's going to say is not equal to 2.2 hours. So that's your alternative hypothesis. Now we want to see what type of test we're going to use, whether it's left-tailed, right-tailed, or two-tailed. So we're going to give ourselves a little more room on the screen. Let's go ahead and shift these over here and slide this up to give ourselves a little workspace at the bottom. We still want to see those hypotheses so that we can make our determination at the end. So there are three types of hypothesis tests. There's the left-tailed, right-tailed, and two-tailed. And the way we determine what kind of test we're doing is by looking at the symbol in HA. If HA contains a less than symbol, we're looking at a left-tailed test. If HA has a greater than symbol, it's a right-tailed test. And if HA has a not equal to sign, it's a two-tailed test. So because we see a not equal to sign here, we know that this is a two-tailed test. And that's your answer.